What if I told you that just a short drive from Charleston, there's a small town that feels like a postcard brought to life? Welcome to Summerville, South Carolina, a place where Southern hospitality isn't just a phrase, it's a way of life. Known as the Flower Town in the Pines, Summerville blends natural beauty, historic charm, and a warm community spirit that makes every visitor feel at home. Strolling through downtown Summerville, you'll instantly notice the difference. Instead of crowded city streets, you're greeted with oak-shaded sidewalks, family-owned boutiques, and the aroma of fresh baked goods drifting from local cafes. Hutchinson Square, the heart of downtown, is the perfect starting point. Here, you'll find charming shops offering everything from antiques and handcrafted jewelry to stylish home decor. It's the kind of place where shopping feels more like treasure hunting. Food is another reason Summerville shines. Local restaurants capture the true flavors of the South, whether you're craving shrimp and grits, fried green tomatoes, or a slow-smoked barbecue that melts in your mouth. Many of these eateries are family-run, adding that personal touch you just can't find in big cities. And if you're a fan of sweet treats, Summerville is said to be the birthplace of sweet tea, a claim celebrated with pride. Don't miss a glass of this iconic Southern drink while you're here. But Summerville isn't just about food and shopping. It's a town that embraces its heritage and natural beauty. Azalea Park, with its winding trails, ponds, and blooming flowers, is a local favorite. In springtime, the town truly comes alive during the Flowertown Festival, one of the Southeast's largest arts and crafts festivals, attracting visitors from all over. Imagine hundreds of artists, live music, and food vendors all set against a backdrop of vibrant blossoms. It's a celebration of life and color. History lovers will appreciate Summerville's well-preserved buildings and stories dating back to the 18th century. Once known as a retreat for those seeking the health benefits of its pine-filled air, the town still carries that peaceful, restorative energy today. Perhaps what makes Summerville most special, though, is the people. Locals are quick to smile, eager to share stories, and always ready to point you toward their favorite hidden gems. It's this genuine sense of welcome that turns a simple visit into an unforgettable memory. Summerville may not be as famous as Charleston, but that's exactly its magic. It's slower, more personal, and filled with discoveries around every corner. From flower-lined streets to cozy cafes and family traditions passed down through generations, it's a reminder that sometimes the best travel experiences are found off the beaten path. So let me ask you, if you were in Summerville for just one afternoon, would you spend it browsing the shops, sipping sweet tea, or relaxing under the pines in Azalea Park?